park and ride I'm always going on about here that I go to. Oh, you alright babies? There's my babies somewhere. Oh, it must be minus 20. Oh, there's 2 police cars here before, parked up, chatting. Anyway, they didn't bother me, but I didn't want to get my camera out while they were there because, you know, what's he doing? That's the M6 over there, by the way. So this is a 360 video, so you should be able to have a good look round. See the park and ride I go to. Oh, it's wicked. This is going to be one of the shortest videos I've ever done, I think. It's freezing, it's blowing a gale. I don't know how well you can see me. There's street lights, but it is freezing. Anyway, there's some electric chargers over there you can have a look at. And all that noise in the background is the M6. I don't know where to hold it to get a good, you know, how far. There's the dog. Can't breathe, it's that windy. Come on! Oh, that took my breath away, that wind. Absolutely ridiculous. Come on babies. They don't mind it, they like it. That's the testing thing for the what do you call it? All these problems we're having. Mobile testing place. I'm in my car at the minute. Oh, you can't get your van in here. You've got barriers up. Right, I'm going. It's freezing. I just thought